In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to Skool with this easy guide. If you've ever wanted to integrate your scheduling tool with Skool, then you're in the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get you all set up. First, open your preferred web browser and go to your search engine. Type Skool into the search bar and hit enter. You'll see a list of results, but for this purpose, just click on the first link that appears. This will take you to the Skool homepage. Once you're there, it's time to log in to your account. Simply enter your login information and you'll be directed to your Skool dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to head over to your profile. So look for your profile picture or icon, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this menu, select Settings. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the settings area, your next step is to navigate to the profile section. This is where you can edit personal details and make changes to how your profile appears to others. Now, in order to connect your Calendly account, you'll need that special link that makes the whole connection process really seamless. So open a new tab in your browser and go to the Calendly website. Log into your Calendly account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, find your personal Calendly link, usually in the main dashboard area. This URL is the key to linking up with Skool, so make sure you have it handy. Copy your Calendly link. You can do this by highlighting the URL and right-clicking to select copy, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Head back to the Skool tab where you have the profile section open. In your bio section, paste the Calendly link. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting paste, or by using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. Double check that the link looks correct and is clickable. This small step ensures that others can easily schedule time with you through your Calendly directly from your Skool profile. Lastly, if you feel like sharing your availability more broadly within your Skool community, you can post this Calendly link in a relevant group or community post. It's an optional step, but can be incredibly useful if you're looking to open up your calendar to more people in your network. And there you have it, a straightforward way to integrate Calendly with Skool. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this guide helps you streamline your scheduling and enhances your community interactions. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Happy scheduling!